DJM TV.
Vice President Yemi Osibanjo decorates new acting IGP with new rank, plus Akwa Ibom women farmers and bush Fulani herdsmen. Hello, our darling viewers. A wonderful morning to you, a wonderful afternoon to you, a wonderful evening to you, depending on the actual time it is that you are watching us now on our day-to-day news update on your dining TV station, DJM TV. I am Stanley Okocha, reading the trending hot news for you at this time. Following the speculations that police formations across the country were unable to tackle security challenges due to the withholding of the operational funds by the police top hierarchy in Nigeria, President Muhammadu Buhari Tuesday replaced the former Inspector General of Police, Mr. Mohammed Adamu, with Deputy Inspector General of Police, Usman Alkali Baba. Like we promised you in one of our earlier news video reports, we bring to you now the details about the acting Inspector General of Police who was decorated today by the Vice President Yemi Osibanjo at the State House in Abuja. The new acting Inspector General of Police is Mr. Usman Alkali Baba. Mr. Baba was born in Gaidam local government area of Yobe State on March 1963. He joined the Nigerian police force on March 15, 1988. Mr. Baba holds a Teachers Grade 2 certificate, TC2, from the Teachers College, Potescom, in Yobe State in 1980. Thereafter, he obtained a Bachelor's of Arts Education in Political Science from the Bayero University, Kano, in 1985. The new acting IGP also holds a master's degree in public administration, MPA, which he got from the University of Maiduguri, Borno State in 1997. Before his appointment as the Inspector General of Police, Alkali Baba was the Deputy Inspector General of Police, DIG, in charge of Force Criminal Investigations Department, Force Headquarters in Abuja. According to him, his vision is to enhance police primacy in Nigeria through the provision of a motivational and credible leadership driven by professional knowledge, ethics, emotional intelligence tools, and strategic planning and operational module that are directed at stabilizing internal security and modernizing police operations, facilities, and standards within the framework of citizens' content, trust, and rule of law. After his decoration to his new rank today by the Nigerian Vice President, Professor Yemi Osibanjo, Mr. Baba promised to build on the legacies of his predecessors and reject the professionalism that the Nigerian police is best known for. In another development, after the news of Akwa Ibom women now ready to go to their farm with weapons trended on social media, Fulani Herdsmen has tested how it looks like if all farmers in Nigeria were to start carrying weapons to farm. A serious drama played out during the Easter period as the herders tried to take up the opportunity to ravage farms, knowing fully well that Christians will be in their homes to celebrate the Easter while they will have a feed day in their farm feeding their cows. Little did they know that the farmers, both men and women, had ambushed them in their different farms waiting. According to one of the women who spoke with our news reporter but pleaded that her name should not be mentioned, she said they never knew Fulani herdsmen can also run for safety until they saw them doing so after they, the women, chased them with the weapons they had while they attempted to enter into their farms. Recall that some days ago, we brought you a report that the chairman of Zini local government area appealed to the state and federal government about the danger ahead because of the insecurity in the state, which appears to have gone out of control as women have started to go to their farms with rifles and other weapons to protect themselves against any bandit attacks. The chairman of Zini local government area, Mr. Israel Idasin, had sent a save our soul message to the federal government to intervene in the age-long boundary disputes between the communities as indigenes now move about in the community with weapons. Idaisin said the continuous attack on the people of Nkari community, allegedly by their neighbors and bandits, has conditioned their minds to become people who are seeking for self-help. The council chairman lamented that even women and children now go to farms with either short or long rifles. He further advised both the federal government and the state government that the situation, if not properly handled the way it is now, could give birth to a future generation of bandits who may become thorns on the flesh of the government. In his words, the security situation we face every day in Zim local government area is that of Nkari, where the people there, including women and children, now go about with weapons to prevent bandit attacks as well as to protect themselves. Everyone there is either with a long rifle or a short rifle, all in a bid to protect themselves from any form of attack. In a related news, the top Igbo socio-cultural organization called Ohaneze Ndigbo has declared that the governor of Imo State, Senator Hope Uzodinma, should be held responsible for the rise of insecurity in Imo State. Reacting to the coordinated attacks that rocked the correctional service and the Imo State Police Command headquarters earlier this week, the Ohaneze leader, Engineer Chudi Ibe, said the invasion of Olu by military officers some weeks ago led to the security crisis rocking the state. He said Ndigbo had warned the governor previously of the consequences of his impulsive move against the Eastern Security Network (ESN) to curry favor his paymasters. Consequently, the Imo State governor should accept the responsibility of the violence carried out in the early hours of Easter Monday. However, the Ohaneze called for a ceasefire and reminded the perpetrators that dialogue remains the best weapon to resolve conflict and every disagreement. The group called on Governor Hope Uzodinma to tender an unreserved apology to Ndigbo for his non-consultative military actions in Olu and the imprisonment of innocent indigenes of Imo State. The group also urged Mr. Hope Uzodinma to change most of the unpopular anti-Igbo decisions and policies he had made in the past. On the part of the Southeast governors, Ohaneze Ndigbo called on the Southeast governors to urgently set up the regional Southeast Security Network to engage the youths to defend the Ndigbo.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
These Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.